Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. So, kamusta kayo dyan mga fire signs natin, right? No? So, let's see. Let's start with you, Aries. So, yeah, kamusta kayo dyan mga Aries natin, no? Tignan natin anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo ng iyong person, no? Whoever it is, no? So, and of course, message or advice from your inner self and from universe, no? So, yeah, let's start, Aries, no? So, tignan natin, sitwasyon ng iyong person, sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person, right? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards here, no? So, yeah, 3 cards for Aries. So, yeah, one more card for the Aries, right? So, yeah, tignan natin. And again, vice versa, no? So, kung saan kayong side, no? Kasi energies naman talaga yung nakukuha natin dito, right? No? So, kung saan lang kayo makaka-resonate, kung saan kayong side makaka-relate, no? Kung sa person na sinasabi ko or yung kayo mismo, no? So, kayo nang din nakakaalam, no? So, yeah, let's see. So, yeah, what's your card? So, you have this missing you. So, yeah, no, Aries, no, you have this missing you, no? So, yeah, maybe both of you are missing each other, no? Siguro meron kayong distant, no? Distance with this person, no? Something like that, no? So, what else? You have this, you're my destiny, no? So, yeah, no, maybe both of you are feeling that you're destined to each other, right? No, so yeah, I think okay naman kayo with this person, right? And last is, my secrets, no? So, but there is a secrets, but then it was revealed already, no? So, whatever the secret is, no, Aris, yeah, kayo lang din ang nakakaalam nito, no? So, siguro, with the secrets, no, merong misunderstanding na nangyari, no? Yeah. But, yeah, for sure, 'di ba, parang for me, parang di naman big deal siguro whatever that secret is, no? So, yeah, no? Maybe if titignan natin yung ibang scenario rito is there is separation because of the secrets revealed, no? Something like that, and that person is missing you, no? And feeling or thinking that you are his or her destiny, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung isang scenario na nakikita ko rito. And the other one is yeah, I think you are still together, no? Something like that. And fixing what is damaged, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah. So, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, no, mga Aries, no? So, yeah, there is someone with secrets and missing the person, no? Thinking that he or she is the destined to be with her, no? Or destined together, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, so maybe there is a separation, but then I strongly feel na hindi naman nag-separate, no? Something like that. But then there is this feeling that there is someone who wants to fix the relationship, no? Something like that, no? So take what's resonate lang for you mga Aries natin dyan, no? So let's see what's the message or advice for you ng iyong inner self, no, Aries? So kuha tayo ng one card for you, one card. So what's that? Let's see. So, you have this healing, no? Yeah. Healing, no? So, I have two situation also dito, no? Maybe may kinalaman rin doon sa iyong first card. sa first deck ng iyong card, Aries, no? First is there is this healing, no? You are in healing process, no? Yeah, but maybe dahil may mga masasakit kang pinagdaanan, no? But then I strongly see this na you are in healing because someone passed away, no? Aries, no? Someone you love is passed away, no? So, vice versa again, no? So, maybe person mo ito, Aries, or ikaw ito, no? Na nakakaramdam ng lungkot because someone is passed away, no? With this urn, makikita mo, hawak-hawak mo, no? So, yeah, if there is, no? So, condolence, no? If there is really someone passed away, no? Or for some of you naman is, yeah, you are in a healing process because of the yeah, I think mga pinagdaanan mo recently, no, sa iyong life, no? But then parang mas malakas dito yung someone is passed away, no? So that's why, no? So because yung first card mo is missing you, no? So namimiss mo yung taong nawala, no? Something like that, no? So yeah. So kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, no? So yeah. Yan, namimiss mo yung taong nawala, and then because you are thinking na destiny mo yung tao na yun. But then, kasi nga nawala na siya, no? Something like that, no? So, kasi nga there is someone passed away, no? So, yeah. So, parang that person is, kumbaga, ay parang kilalang kilala mo na siya, no? Both of you. Siguro matagal na yung inyong relationship, no? So, but then, secret, may mga secrets. So parang tinanggap naman, no? So, nagkaroon naman ng pagkakaayos, but then, there is sudden, no? Kumbaga, bigla ang pangyayari, no? And someone, passed away, no? So, kaya you are in a healing process right now, no? So, yeah. So, ayun lang naman din yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, pwedeng ganun, or pwede naman na you are in a healing process because of the pain na naranasan mo from the past, no? Something like that, no? So just take your time, no? Heal yourself, no? So ito yung sinasabi ng inner self mo, no? So take all the time you need, no? Because hindi biro yung pinagdadaanan mo right now, no, Aries, no? So yeah, medyo mabigat ito, no? So for some of you, so just take your time. And then eventually ay for sure makaka-recover ka din diyan, no, Aries, no. So maging ano ka lang, but then wag mo lang din masyadong itambayan no, yung lungkot, yung pain, yung sakit, no, kasi hindi din yun makakabuti sa iyo, no. So right now just take your time, no, grieving because of your loved one, 'di ba, na nawala, 'di ba? Something like that, no? So yeah. So yeah, that's it, no? So tignan naman natin anong message or advice from the universe, no, mga Aries. Kuha din tayo ng one card for you, Aries. Kuha tayong one card. So, yeah, one card lang. Wag dalawa yung lumabas, so one lang. So, ano kaya yung message or advice from the universe? So, you have this, no, 0, yeah, given, no? So, yan, no, for some of you, Aries, no, so, sinasabi dito ni universe, no, talikuran nyo na, no? Talikuran nyo na yung mga bagay-bagay or mga taong nananamantala lang. Something like that, no? So, because you don't belong to those person, no? To those people na you are that they are just taking advantage of you, no? Something like that, no? So, kung makikita mo, 'di ba, ikaw to, no? Ikaw lang yung colorful ang suot, but then yung paligid mo is total darkness, no? Something like that, no? So, kailangan mo nang umalis, no? So, ikaw lang kasi yung nagbibigay ng kulay dun sa mga tao na yun. That's why they are taking advantage of you. because nagkakaroon sila ng benefits, no? Something like that, no? So, sinasabi dito ni universe is to turn your back, no? It's time for you to, at katulad sa air sign is prioritize yourself, no? Something like that, no? So, kailangan unahin mo naman ngayon ang sarili mo para totally ay hindi ka naman total in darkness, no? So, there is light within you na kailangan mo na talagang umalis, no? Something like that, no? So, umalis ka na sa sitwasyon na hindi na maganda, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung sinasabi sa'yo dito, Aries, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo with that reading for you, no, Aries, no? So, God bless you and thank you for watching, Aries. So, let's proceed to you, Leo. So, kamusta yung mga Leo natin dyan right now? So, how are you, no? So, in English natin. So, how are you, Leo? So, let's see what's the situation with the person on your mind. And, of course, message or advice from your inner self and, of course, from the universe, right? No? So, let's start. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Leo. No? 3 cards for you, Leo, no? Tignan natin. So, ano kayang meron sa sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person right now, no? Again, vice versa ito, no? So, take what's only resonating, no? So, and leave the rest sa iba, no? Kung sino lang yung makaka-relate, no? So, again, vice versa din, no? So, what are your cards? So, you have this, no? Again, no? So, lahat to lumalabas lagi, no? So, you know my secrets, no? So, someone has a secret and someone knew that secret, no? So, And what else? Chase me, it's fun. So, may paglalaro dito, no? Mga Leo, no? So, again, vice versa tayo. Pwedeng ikaw ito or yung person mo, no? There is someone who is playing, no? Something like that, no? So, tignan pa natin. But then, losing hope, no? So, no? Mga Leo, no? There is someone, I think, is a player, no? Something like that, no? So, because chase me, it's fun, no? So, merong paglalaro dito, no? Someone is not taking it seriously, no? Sa inyong relationship, no? So, kasi, kumbaga, gusto niya lagi kang maghahabol, no? Something like that. Or ikaw tong Leo na gusto mo ay hinahabol ka ng iyong person, no? So, again, kung saan ka lang makaka-relate, no? So, but then, I think because of the losing hope is because someone is awakened na, no? Because of the secrets revealed na dati ay lagi siyang naghahabol, but then, right now, maybe hindi na to naghahabol, no? Medyo naging matigas na rin ang person na ito, whoever it is, no? So, ngayon ay losing hope na itong player, no? Something like that, no? So again, take what's resonate, no? So, kasi nga, may nagbago, no? Something is changed because of the secrets revealed, no? Something like that. And that person who is a player, no? Always wants to chase or always wants to playing mind games, something like that, no? So is losing hope right now because the person he or she is dealing with is no longer interested, no? Something like that, because that's what I see here, no? Because of the secrets revealed, that's why the other person is kind of nawalan na ng amor, no? Something like that. Or na-fall out na, no? Because of maybe tired na rin, no? Because of the chase me, it's fun. Maybe this is just like us repeatedly cycle, no, mga Leo, no? So, paulit-ulit na nangyayari, no? But then, there is no changes. There is no progress with the relationship, no? Because one is a player, no? So, someone is a player, someone is only playing, no? Not serious, no? So, and the other one is, no? Awakened, no? Something like that, no? has the na nagkaroon ng clarity, no, with the secrets revealed, no. That's why before ay palagi siyang nagche-chase, no, so hinahabol-habol niya itong person na itong player na to na naglalaro, no, but then ngayon nag-stop na, and that person who is a player is losing hope because hindi siya sanay ng hindi siya hinahabol ng tao, no, Leo, no. So take what's resonate ng Leo, no? Maybe ikaw itong pahabol ng pahabol, or maybe yung person mo, no? So just again, take what's resonate, no? So yeah. So I think whoever it is na a player, no? Kung ikaw man ito, Leo, na ikaw ay isang player, no? So maybe tigil-tigilan mo na itong mga gawain mo na ganito, no? Because ikaw din ang babalikan nito, no? Something like that, no? So, kung ano kasi naman ang ginawa mo sa kapwa mo is babalik rin sa'yo, no? And that is the truth, no? Karma is real, yeah. Because whatever you did to someone, people around you, is will bounce back to you. 10 times bigger. Something like that, no? So what I can say, our advice to you, Leo, no? If you are this player, no, so please stop that immature characteristics that you have, no, because soon in the future, if you will not stop this kind of it will bounce back to you 10 times bigger, no, mga Leo, no. So right now, please baguhin nyo na yung mga sarili nyo, no? Kung sino man kayo na, kung kayo Leo or yung person mo. Kasi, alam nyo, nagbibigay kayo ng pahirap sa mga taong totoong nagmamahal sa inyo. Something like that, di ba? Kasi, kung ngayon nasasayahan kayo sa ginagawa nyo, nasasayahan ba kayo na may nasasaktan sa ginagawa nyo? Soon enough, in the future, kayo din makakaranas yan, and 10 times bigger pa. Kung ano yung ginawa mo sa kapwa mo, babalik din talaga yan sa'yo. So right now, if you are watching this, Leo, and you are this player, stop that what you are doing. Stop playing with the people who really loves you. Baka in the future, hindi ka na makahanap ng totoong taong magmamahal sa'yo. 'Di ba? May iwan ka na lang mag-isa. Gusto mo ba 'yon? Right now, nasasayahan ka sa ginagawa mo, but then, paano sa future? Wala nang magtitiwala sa'yo, right? Kahit na sabihin mong you are changing yourself na, paano kapag napuno na yung mga tao sa paligid mo? 'Di ba? Hindi na sila maniniwala kahit na sabihin mong you are being true na to yourself. But then, napuno na kasi yung mga tao na niloloko mo, no, 'di ba? Kasi because of this, 'di ba? Parang, hello, Leo, 'di ba? What is your perception in your life? Ganito ka na lang ba habang buhay? Ayaw mo bang tuunan na lang yung mga dreams mo instead of playing people? 'Di ba? Wala ka bang pangarap sa buhay mo at ganito na lang ikaw? 'Di ba? Something like that, no? Kasi yung mga tao na nasasaktan mo, lalayo at lalayo yan sa'yo. Mawawala. Imbis na meron true love kang nakukuha, lumalayo sa'yo kasi sinasaktan mo. 'Di ba? Something like that, no? So, because right now, you are losing hope na eh. Because the person who is really loves you truly, lumayo na sa'yo. 'Di ba? And now, you are feeling losing hope. 'Di ba? Maybe this will happen in the future pa, no? Because right now, baka nasisiyahan ka pa sa ginagawa mo, no? Whatever it is, no? 'Di ba? So, if you are this, stop it na kasi ikaw din ang katulad ng sinabi ko, babalik din sa ito 10 times bigger or baka 100 times pa, right? We don't know because depende yan kung anong ginawa mo sa kapwa mo. 'Di ba? And si universe ay hindi natutulog. Nakikita niya lahat ng ginagawa natin, no? We are transparent with the universe, with God, no? Whatever, however na pagtatago na ginagawa natin, kay God walang nakakatakas, no? Something like that, no? So, So, ayun lang naman, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo rito or kung may person kayo na ganito, no? So, sana ay mag-stop na, no? So, because sila din ang hindi naman kawawa or maybe in the future, no? Because wala na magtitiwala sa kanila, no? Something like that, no? So, tignan naman natin anong message or advice for you from the universe, Leo, no? So, kuha tayo ng one card for you. Inner self mo pala, no? Advice ng iyong inner self, Leo. So, tignan natin. Solitude, no? So, you have this solitude, no? So, ina-advise sa'yo, Leo, ng iyong inner self. Time for, magkaroon ka ng time sa sarili mo para mapag-isip-isipan mo yung mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. 'Di ba? Have this alone time for yourself, no? Maybe mahilig ka sa mga makisalamuha sa mga tao. So, tigilan mo muna because kung makikita mo, ito kasi yung nakikita ko dito, Leo, sa iyong card, no? So, maybe ikaw tong tao na mahilig socialization, no? Something like that, no? So, sinasabi ng inner self mo, kasi nai-impluwensyahan ka ng mga maling tao. Something like that, Leo, no? So, kailangan mong dumistansya sa mga tao na hindi nakakabuti sa'yo. No? Something like that. Kaya ka nagiging ganyan because of the people around you, no? So, kailangan mo talagang dumistansya muna. Sinasabi ng iyong inner self, no, Leo, no? So, that's it, no? So, tignan naman natin anong message or advice ni universe sa'yo, Leo, no? Kuha tayo ng one card for you. One card for you, Leo. So, tignan natin. So, boss up, no? So, meron ka dito, Leo, boss up, no? So, sinasabi rito, you have this potential, no? Leader type, 'di ba? Nawawala yung momentum mo because of the people around you, because of the wrong people around you, no? Na dinadala ka sa maling direction, no? Something like that, no? So, with this boss up, 'di ba? Magaling ka, Leo, no? You have potential, you have this leader type, 'di ba? Magaling ka sa lahat ng aspeto, no? Kumbaga, kung aayusin mo yung sarili mo, magiging successful ka sa buhay mo, no? Something like that, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo, pinapakita na dito, no, ni universe yung possible future outcome mo if babaguhin mo yung sarili mo, no, Leo, no? So, kung makikita mo, you are this victorious, no? You are this successful, no? Parang lahat makukuha mo, wala ka ng problema. If in this present moment is aayusin mo yung sarili mo. Right? Distansya mo yung sarili mo sa mga taong hindi nakakatulong sa'yo. Sa mga taong BI, no? Bad influence, no? Something like that, no? So, because naapektuhan ng iyong personality, ang iyong growth, maybe your dreams din hindi mo na nagagawa, or baka nakakalimutan mo na may mga pangarap ka din sa buhay mo, but then you are being influenced with the people, with the wrong people around you, no, Leo, no? So, so ayan yung nakikita ko for you, Leo, no? So, I hope nakaka-resonate ka, and if not, just leave it, no, mga Leo, no? If you are being bitter, no? So, wala akong inaano rito, no? Kasi minsan naman tayo kapag nasasabihan, nakakarinig tayo ng totoo, minsan masakit, no? Ayaw nating tanggapin. So, baka magagalit kayo sa akin kapag ito yung reading ko sa inyo, no? So, ito lang naman yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, yeah. So, kumbaga ay nasa sayo yan, no? You have the free will pa rin. If you want to stay with with those toxic behavior, toxic people around you, then stay. If you want progress, growth, something to change in your life, then go, step forward, prioritize yourself, no? So yeah, that's it for you, Leo, no? So God bless you and thank you for watching, Leo. So yeah, let's proceed naman to you, Sagittarius, no? So yeah, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Sag? So tignan natin anong sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person on your mind, and of course message or advice from your inner self, and of course from universe, no? So kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Sag, no? Mga Sagittarius natin dyan, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for the situation na meron kayo ng iyong person, right? So 1, 2, 3, no? So, yeah, tignan natin yan. Anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo right now, Sag? So, again, no? You have this, friends with benefits, no? Mga Sagittarius. So, kung sino lang makaka-relate dito, mga Sag, no? So, what else? I really don't love you, no? So, yeah, no? Because you are just friends lang, no? No, medyo hurtful to, no, mga Sag, no? So, kung sino lang makaka-relate, no? What else? Puro red tayo ngayon, no? So, ano to? Doing spell work on you, no? So, may bitter dito, no, mga Sag, no? Yeah, no? Merong galit sa inyo, mga Sagittarius. And that's why, ano, sinasabi niya rito, hindi ka daw talaga niya mahal. So, maybe ay nilayuan mo itong tao na ito, no? And that this person is bitter, no? Mga Sag, no? So, galit siya sa inyo ngayon, no? Maybe ay dahil nga nilayuan mo tong tao na to, no? So, whoever is this, no? Kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, no? Mga Sag, no? So, sinasabi lang niya, for me, I really feel this na sinasabi niya tong hindi ka niya mahal because bitter tong person na to, no? So, you have to protect yourself sa tao na ito, Sag, no? So, maybe ay may mga gagawin tong hindi maganda, no? Something like that. So, ito yung nafe-feel ko dito, no? Because, galit tong tao na to. Maybe ay dahil nilayuan mo siya, no, Sag, no? So, nagagalit itong tao na ito sa iyo, no? So, doing spell work on you. So, maybe ang marami kasing aspect ang being throwing spells, no? Even though na hindi ka naman talaga nagre-ritual, because pag sinabing spell is kulam, right? No? So, nagre-ritual yan, no? So, hindi lang naman para doon ang pag-i-spell, no? Kapag nagsasalita lang tayo ng hindi maganda sa kapwa natin, we are throwing some kind of spell na rin, no? Nakakagulo sa frequency ng person yun, na sinasabihan natin ng masama. And eventually, babalik din yun sa kanila. So don't worry, no? Basta magdasal ka lang, magdasal, Sag, no? Whoever is this person, hindi yan magtatagumpay, no? Pagka whatever na hindi maganda ang ginagawa sa kapwa, hindi yan nagtatagumpay. Basta magdasal ka lang maigi, Sag, right? No? So, protektahan mo yung sarili mo, no? So, nafi-feel ko talaga dito sa tao na ito, meron siyang hindi magandang mga pinaplano, no, behind you, no? So, meron tong pagbabalik na gagawin, Sag, no? So, be aware, no? So, beware of this person, no? I know for sure kilala mo na ito, kung sino tong tao na ito na galit sa iyo, no? So, kailangan mong mag-ingat sa tao na ito, right? Be private, no? Lalo na sa mga social media accounts mo. Huwag kang masyadong public kung mag-post because this person is spying on you, no, Sag, no? So, yun yung napi-feel ko sa tao na ito. Very, very, very dark tong tao na to, no? Galit talaga siya sa'yo, no? Something like that, no? So, bitter talaga ito, no? So, kaya mag-ingat ka dito, Sagittarius, no? So yeah, ito lang yung nakikita ko sa person na ito. And, tignan naman natin. So, pero wag kayong matatakot, no? So, basta magdasal lang kayo ng taimtim kay God, no? Hingi kayo ng protection sa Kanya, no? Wag kayong mawawalan ng, wag kayong mapapadala sa takot ng tao na yan. Maybe tinatakot kayo niyan, no? So, wag kayong magpapadala, no? Ano man mga masamang hangarin niya sa inyo, Sagittarius, is hindi yan magtatagumpay. Basta ikaw ay magdasal ka lang ng magdasal, no? Protektahan mo yung sarili mo, no? Something like that, no? So, tignan natin anong message or advice for you ng iyong inner self, no? Mga Sagittarius, kuha tayo ng one card for you, Sag. So, what's that card for you? So, you have this gratitude, no? So, yan, no? For me, di ba, napaka-positive mong tao, Sagittarius, no? So, ito yung nafe-feel ko dito, no? So, napakagaan mo lang talaga, no? You are just being optimistic right now and feeling so much gratitude in yourself, no? So, lahat ng bagay, pinagpapasalamat mo talaga. So, kaya sabi ko nga sa'yo, huwag kang matakot, no? Because you are this pala, no? So, sobrang napaka-humble mong tao, no? Mga Sag, no? So, you are being connected talaga sa source natin, no? At grabe yung pagpapasalamat mo everyday, nagpapasalamat ka, no? Kahit hindi mo pa nare-receive is totally, you are just being grateful, no? You have this gratitude inside of you na talagang napakalakas ng faith mo, no? Something like that. So, biglang gumaan yung aura, no? So, kaya sabi ko sa'yo, huwag kang matatakot with that person, no? So, kung sino man yan, ay babalik din sa kanya for sure, no? Lahat ng masasamang intention niya for you, no, Sag, no? So, tignan naman natin anong message or advice ni universe for you, Sag, no? Message or advice for you, Sag, no? Kuha rin tayo ng one card for you, Sag. So, tignan natin yan. What is that card? So, you have this, every step counts, no? So, yan, no, mga Sag, no? So, maybe, you are this, no? You are stepping into your power, no? Something like that, no? You are reclaiming your energy, no? Maybe, ang dami mong pinagdaanan sa past, no, Sag, no? So, parang ito ka, no? Nire-rewardan ka dito ni universe, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, your blessings, your goals in life are coming into reality, no? But then, you have to be, kumbaga ay maghinay-hinay ka lang. Don't rush things, no? So, you will eventually reach your goal, no? Kung makikita mo dito, may light dito, right? No? So, ito yung hagdanan. Konti na lang yan. Yeah, literally, no? So, kung tsatsagaan mo lang, no? Sagittarius, no? Marireach mo rin whatever goals or dreams you are pursuing, no? Because God is within you, no? Tinutulungan ka. That's why, kaya wag kang matakot, no? Kung may mga taong maninira sa'yo, don't be afraid, no? Because God is with you, no? Something like that. So, ito yung nakikita ko talaga. I strongly sense that you are being guided by the universe dito, mga Sag, no? So, kung ano man mga pinagdaanan mo sa past, ito ka na, no? You are standing up, no? Successfully, no? So, and you are going towards your dreams, no? Step by step, no? So, every step may matututunan ka, no? Ito yung nakikita ko with every step counts, no? So, for me, ang pagkakaintindi ko dito, every step, kaya sabi ko sa'yo, huwag kang magra-rush, di ba? Every step may matututunan ka. And that can, that will be applied sa iyong personality, no? So, kailangan mong intindihin, kailangan mong i-absorb ng mabuti every step, 'di ba? Kaya wag kang magra-rush, wag kang mag-i-skip, wag kang magmamadali because every step is mahalaga sa iyong growth. Meron at meron kang makukuha every step na dadaanan mo, no? Something like that, no, Sagittarius. So, yeah, that's it for you, Sagittarius. So, I hope naka-resonate kayo sa reading na ito, no? So, yeah, no, overall is, yeah, God bless you all, no, mga, and have faith lang talaga na kaya nyo, whatever it is, no, because God is with you, mga fire sign, no, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, palagi talaga hindi mawawala ang problema, but then nasa sa atin kung paano natin i-handle ang isang problema, right? May mga bagay na hindi na dapat hinuhold ng matagal, kailangan nang i-release. And may mga bagay na worth of keeping because what? Because there is a true love. Something like that. No? So, parang ganun lang yung nakikita ko. No? So, yeah. That's it for you, mga fire signs. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, fire signs.